Car seats, strollers, wheelchairs, walkers, and any service items. If not, have those items checked and tagged. Please see me at the podium at this time with your item. So I'm tagged to its final destination. If there are any standby passengers for the Raleigh Durham flight, please see me at the podium at this time with your ID.
Just so you're aware, folks, we're going to Orlando and San Juan. The aircraft that's taking you is just now pulling into the gate, so we're going to deplane the local passengers, and then we're going to begin the boarding process shortly thereafter. So you have a couple of minutes, but not too many. When we board, we'll board you, always show pre-board authorization on the boarding pass. If you're pre-boarding, you may bring one person to assist. If you're an unaccompanied minor, 11 or younger, you may pre-board. After we complete the pre-boarding process, we'll move